Ano man ang pangarap mo, matutupad yan dito sa NCF.
College of Computer Studies, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Teacher Education, College of Accountancy and Finance, College of Business and Management, College of Engineering, College of Health Sciences, College of Criminal Justice Education. Let your quest begin here at the Naga College Foundation, because we don't just educate, we elevate.
Experience NCF high-quality education and be part of the community of champions. Be a Tiger now.
Leap into the future.
Ano, maurad ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
The place, the players, and the passion. This is your front row seat to sports action that never stops. I am Shula Morzay Meñano, and this is Sportify. What's good, Bicolandia? I am Shula Morzay Meñano, and I'll be your guide to all things sports right here in Bicol. We're talking epic plays, heart-stopping moments, and a whole lot of Bicolano pride only here in Sportify. It all started with a dream to inspire, empower, and make a difference. For years, one individual dedicated herself to a mission larger than any title. Born in a community that instilled values of resilience, hard work, and the importance of uplifting others, she always believed that beauty goes beyond appearance. Kaya naman, it's only fitting to celebrate and interview the queen who made this happen. Let's watch this. After months of hard work, late nights, and countless moments of growth, she emerged victorious, not just as a title holder, but as someone ready to change the world, or the universe rather. Today, she is sitting as a shining example of what it means to lead with purpose, passion, and heart. After winning titles outside the NCF, her journey has begun, and the world is watching as she sets out to make a difference. In today's special episode of Sportify, please welcome Mutya ng PRISAA-CAMARINES SUR 2025, Alyssa Jayne Paragas. Sportisans, we are honored to have with us today a remarkable young woman who has not only been crowned Mutya ng PRISAA-CAMARINES SUR 2025, but has recently earned the title of Mutyang Oragon 2025 First Runner-Up. And NCF's pride once again here on Sportify, the incredible Alyssa Jayne Paragas. So magandang hapon sa iyo, Ali.
Hi, Zai. Good
Hi,
day.
it's nice to see you again here.
Nice
So anyways, how are you doing so far? Kamusta naman ang nararamdaman mo?
I was still in shock when someone told me that I'll be having interview today. But I am very grateful and honored to be part of this talk, especially with you. I want to take this opportunity to thank everyone who's behind this event.
Well, thank you also so much for accepting our invitation here on Sportify, Miss Alyssa. Well, congratulations on being crowned Mutya ng PRISAA 2025 and first runner-up as Mutya ng Oragon. Well, your journey to these titles has been nothing short of inspiring. So, can you share initially what inspired you to compete in Mutyanang PRISAA and also in Mutyanang Oragon?
My inspiration is my dream to compete in national or even international pageants. And then most especially my family. So my family is my core. They are the reason why I can stand on stage with confidence, with pride, and with passion. And I'm really passionate with what I am doing. So that's the reason why I am aiming for more achievements in the future.
So actually, Miss Ali, I'm very curious kung paano ka nagsimula in your journey when it comes to pageantry.
So before, I am not that interested into joining pageants talaga. I am more on music. I'm a singer actually. But my pageant competition started when I was 18 years old. So biglaan lang. I started my first experience in barangay pageant, and yun nagtuloy-tuloy na. That was year 2022. And for the past 3 years of joining, I grew up as a woman, as a beauty queen, and that's what I am using to develop myself even more.
Wow, that's actually a very promising story, Miss Ali, since I am 18 years old as of now. So that's a great motivation and inspiration for me. Well, at this point in your life, what do these titles mean to you?
These titles is more than the recognition that I am getting from the public or the people. It is my treasure, and it is the very evidence of my hard work and my dedication as a woman who's believing in the process of dreaming and make an effort to make those dreams come true.
Wow, that's really wonderful. Well, in that case, Miss Ali, would it be alright if I ask how many pageants would you say have you joined so far?
I think my last pageant was my 12th pageant that I joined.
Wow, that's so impressive. Well, other than that, Miss Ali, I would like to ask Sana if, since you've already joined 12 pageants, so which one of those pageants were your favorite?
Well, definitely my favorite would be Mutyanang PRISAA-CAMARINES SUR 2025. Not only because it allowed me to represent myself in that stage, but also it allows me to represent my institution, the NCF Pride, the NCF community, and it opens a lot of opportunities talaga. And it allows me to grow not only as a woman and as a student, but as a beauty queen.
Wow, that's very wonderful. As you all know, being a beauty queen is not an easy task. You have to sacrifice a lot, especially when in terms of time management. You're still a third-year student, am I right? As you all know, being a beauty pageant is not an easy task. And me, myself, I've tried to join beauty pageants. And I saw how difficult it was to handle the crowd, the pressure, and also the stress level. So how about you, Miss Ali? What were some of the most difficult moments you encountered, and how did you overcome them?
Yes, Zai. Actually, that's right. Akala nila the training and all the questions in your head, yun lang yun. But ako talaga, yung pinakamahirap para sa akin is the proper handling of emotions and the pressure. You know, in pageant industry, you will meet a lot of people. You will receive sometimes discrimination or even bashing. But I know that I believe in myself, and as long as you know how to handle those, how to conquer all those, you can surpass every competition that you will join.
So it takes mental strength to be able to join this certain competition. And you know, beauty pageant, or should I say pageantry, is not just a competition. Like Coach once said, it is a performance, diba?
Yes.
Maraming salamat, Ali. And as you all know, Miss Ali over here also joined Miss Pasakaw and the other kinds of pageants. So, Miss Ali, could you share with us your first time experience in joining a pageant?
Yeah, so as what I have said, my first time was barangay pageant. So, ang nangyari nun, sabi nga nila, matangkad ako. So, I fit daw sa industry. So, I tried, pero pinilit lang talaga ako. Hanggang sa pagsulat ng registration form, pinilit lang talaga ako. Pero ngayon, nandito ako, na-enjoy ko na talaga kung ano yung ginagawa ko. And yun yung maganda. Sa una, akala mo ayaw mo, pero kailangan mo lang talaga ng mga taong mag-inspire and pipilit sa'yo minsan.
I see. Well, yun nga yung sabi nila. It takes encouragement in a group of your support system so that you can try something new para malaman mo kung saan ka magaling. Diba? Alright. Well, you are a strong advocate for mental health awareness. So can you tell us more about your advocacies and how do you plan to use your platform as a beauty queen to further these causes?
So yes, Zai, I am a strong advocate for mental health awareness, and the very reason for that is that I myself have faced difficulties with my mental health before or even now. And I believe that I can use this platform as a beauty queen to amplify voices and let the people know that they are not alone. And sometimes we fail, we experience failures and difficulties, and that's definitely okay. And I want to use my cause to spread positivity and information and awareness as well.
Wow, well, that's a very wonderful advocacy since, you know, mental health awareness is not really a topic na nadidiscuss sa madaming tao. You know, Miss Ali over here is not just a beauty queen, but she also is a third-year student of business and management. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah, and she's also part of the student council, so she has a lot of things going on. But looking ahead, Miss Ali, what are some of the personal and professional goals you have set for yourself?
So as you know, Zai, I am currently a third-year college student. So aside from wanting to win more crowns in the future, as I graduate, I am dreaming to be part of airline industry. So I am dreaming to fly and to travel different places, meet different people and culture as well, and to taste different foods.
Well, that's a really wonderful goal, Miss Ali. As you all know, business management is not an easy course, and next year you'll be a graduating student.
Yes.
So how do you think you'd handle everything, since as a graduating student, pageantera, and also you have a girl group, right?
Yes. As of the moment, actually hindi ko na alam. Minsan over-fatigue na talaga. Yes, I am part of the first ever girl group of our institution, Aurora. Hi girls. I am also part of the council in our department. I am a beauty pageant enthusiast. I am also studying. So sa akin hindi ko na talaga minsan maisip kung saan ko isisingit. But I actually handle those with proper time management and self-care. Syempre. So, inaalagaan ko yung sarili ko ng tama hanggang sa mga kaya ko. So, for me to handle those and excel pa rin sa lahat ng yun.
Wow, that's very wonderful. I cannot imagine doing those things at the same time. It takes a lot of, like I said, mental strength and also time management. Like what Miss Ali said, it takes a lot of time management, patience, and also perseverance to achieve all of the awards, or should I say all of the recognitions she has. It's not an easy task. Well, she's worked so hard to get here. So what's one moment in your journey that stands out the most to you, and why?
So every competition that I am joining is a very significant memory for me. But the most important and memorable memory for me is every time my mother is going on that stage and take a picture with me rather, and I would transfer to her my crown. And yun, gusto ko lang ma-recognize ng mga tao din na yung pagkapanalo ko is not only for myself, it's for my mother. It's for the both of us.
Wow, that's a really great story, Miss Alyssa. Well, you know, you have a really great support system.
Yes,
Seeing
I have.
as you hear now, she's a very wonderful person. Actually, behind set, she's even kinder than she is in camera. So that's a really great personality or trait of her. So like Miss Alyssa said, it's difficult to manage everything all at once, grabe, and she's still accomplishing a lot of things at her age. How old are you again, Miss Alyssa?
I am currently 21 years old.
21 years old, achieving a lot at the age of 21. Imagine that. Wow. Well then, if Alyssa Jayne Paragas could give her younger self one piece of advice, now that she has been accomplishing greatest things, what would it be?
So if I would give a advice to my younger self, it would be keep that resilience in your heart, because in the future you will face failure. You will fail many times, but as long as you know what you really desire, what you really love to do, and what your goals are, keep that vision of yours because the future is yours to claim.
Wow, that's great. Well, thank you so much for that, Miss Ali. Now, even me as a young person, it has motivated me to become the best version of myself and to stay resilient. Wow. Well, nakilala na natin ang ating Miss PRISAA 2025 at first runner-up Mutyang Oragon 2025. Sa ating pagbabalik, mas kikilalanin pa natin si Queen Alyssa. Stay tuned for more only here on Sportify.
We invest in shaping the future of healthcare. Our investment in the state-of-the-art facilities and the latest equipment means our students gain hands-on experience with the current technology driving the healthcare industry forward. From immersive laboratories to AI-powered patient model simulators to innovative learning environments, our graduates are prepared to meet the challenges of modern healthcare. The Naga College Foundation, College of Health Sciences, your premier leap to becoming a champion of healthcare.
And we are back. And of course, we are still with amazing Alyssa Paragas, our Mutyang Oragon 2025 first runner-up from the NCF Tigers. She was crowned during the opening ceremony of Bicol's newest and biggest basketball league, ang Oragon Basketball League LVL Cup Season 1.
Ano, maurag ka? Catch Oragon Basketball League on Oragon Sports TV. Liga ng mga Kampiyon!
I personally witnessed the occasion as the host. And I can truly say nakakaibang level ng bakbakan sa hardcourt ang hatid ng bagong liga na ito. And on its first season, 8 koponan ang maglalaban para sa titulo ng kauna-unahang champion ng OBL LVL Cup. Please follow their official Facebook page, Oragon Basketball League, for updates. And syempre, also follow the Facebook page of the official livestream partner of OBL LVL Cup, the premier sports live stream provider in Bicolandia, Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. OBL LVL Cup is streamed every Saturday on GNN Naga Digital TV 48.2, GNN TV 48 Naga Facebook and YouTube channel. So don't forget to like and subscribe. And going back to our wonderful conversation with our Tiger Queen, Alyssa. If you will watch this interview 20 years from now, ano ang gusto mo sabihin sa 41-year-old Alyssa?
So by that time, Zai, I'm already a 41-year-old woman. And my message to you is, I hope you're happy. I hope you're successful and you have fulfilled all the dreams that you have in your heart. And huwag mo kakalimutan na pasalamatan yung mga taong tumulong sa'yo para makarating sa ganyang posisyon.
Wow, that's great. Well, from what I know, Miss Alyssa or Miss Ali over here has always been very appreciative of her surroundings, of the people around her. So it's no longer new for me. So now, my next question for Miss Ali is, who or what has been your biggest source of inspiration throughout your pageant journey?
So my biggest source of inspiration throughout my journey is my support system. Without them, my journey wouldn't be the same. In times of self-doubt, again, questioning my worth as a woman, as a beauty queen, sila yung nandyan right behind my back and non-stop yung support talaga. It is very overwhelming to know that I have someone to lean on na whether I win or lose, they will welcome me with open arms.
Wow, yun yung maganda naman. Kasi you can know na successful ang isang tao based on the people that she or he surrounds herself or himself with. Now, if you had to describe yourself in one word before and after winning, what would that word be and why?
So if I would be describing myself before and after winning, it would be the word motivated. Kasi napansin ko na before and after winning, I can still feel the motivation within me na kahit ilang crown yung masuot ko upon my head, hindi ako tumitigil na i-develop yung sarili ko even more day by day.
Wow, so it's all about self-growth, right? That's fantastic. Well, what legacy do you hope to leave behind as you continue this journey as a Tiger Queen?
It is very overwhelming to be called as Tiger Queen. As what I have said earlier, I have never imagined to be part of an industry na hindi ko talaga pinangarap noon. Kasi before, I'm into music. Puro lang kanta, I am accepting gigs. That's how I help my parents supporting some of my expenses. So the legacy that I want to mark at this day, this moment, is I want to be an inspiration. I want to be a source of inspiration to other people, hindi lang sa mga kababaihan. Kasi akala nila beauty queen is ini-inspire lang yan yung mga kapwa babae. But no, I want to inspire other people as well. Mapalalaki ka, babae or ano man yan. Kapag may gusto kang gawin, just always remember what to prioritize, what you truly desire, and keep that burning passion in your heart. Kasi ako, kinuha ko lang ng kinuha yung mga opportunity. Just grab all the opportunities that you have along the way, and you will surely get to that finish line.
Wow, that's very inspiring. Especially with me, I'm still a very young person. I'm still a teenager as of now, and it means a lot to listen to someone talk about their journey and their dreams. Maraming salamat, Miss Ali. And siguro, of all the titles that you have now, and the titles that you will still gain, one will always remain as your defining title, a Tiger Queen. So, what does the title mean to Alyssa Jayne Paragas?
That's true, Zai. As of the moment, I am still processing. Tinatawag mo akong Tiger Queen ngayon, but as what I have said kanina, as long as we grab the opportunities that we have along the way, makukuha at makukuha natin. And this title, it would definitely be one of my greatest milestone in life na kahit siguro may family na ako, dadalhin at dadalhin ko pa rin to. And I will always be proud to call myself a tiger.
Wow, that's wonderful. Because like Miss Alyssa said earlier, our institution is known for being the home of the champions, diba? So how do you feel being the face of the home of the champions?
I am happy, but honestly, it's kind of challenging for me to be called the face or the as one of the ambassadors of our institution, because it takes a lot of responsibility, I think, to be a role model. We have to be authentic, to be genuine, and to be such an inspiration to other people to do good deeds. And I will take this opportunity kasi binigay sa akin. So I will grab this opportunity na makapag-share sa iba ng magagandang bagay through my story, through my journey, and sana I will do that effectively.
Wow, that's a really great answer, Miss Ali. It's a great honor, but also a big responsibility for you. But you're doing so well right now, so you should be very proud of yourself for what you've accomplished and for the things that you will accomplish in the future. Finally, before we wrap up, now that you're here, I would like to ask you, what is your message for your supporters that helped you reach your goals?
So to my support system, to my silent supporters, my family and friends, thank you all so much for all the effort and the energy that you are spending with me every time that I have competition. You know, this journey wouldn't be the same without you guys. I am very grateful for all the kind words, gestures that you are showering me. And one thing that I could promise you is that to give myself time to develop more and do great in the future. And I am very excited to continue this journey with you all.
Well, maraming salamat, Miss Alyssa Jayne, sa pag-accept ng aming invitation to be our special guest here in today's episode of Sportify. Well, the Naga College Foundation is undeniably the home of the champions, mga kampiyon sa academics, sports, and even in pageants. Alyssa is just one of the title kings and queens NCF has produced, and truly making a remarkable impact in our society today. Thank you so much for joining us on today's episode, my fellow sportisans. The grind, the glory, and the guts. We live it, we breathe it, and we bring it to you every time. Ihahatid namin ang pinakamalalaki at bidang liga. Catch us every Saturday, and don't forget to follow and subscribe to our official Facebook page and YouTube channel, GNN TV48 Naga, Bida ang Bicolano, and Oragon Sports TV, Liga ng mga Kampiyon. Keep pushing limits and keep chasing greatness. I am Shula Marzai Maniano, and this is Sportify.